Hi, I'm Abdur. I'm wondering if there is a new plugin for WordPress lovers, as they can create an invoice and collect payments. That's why, first of all, you have to install the ABS Invoice Generator plugin and do some configuration. After installing the plugin, first set up the store information, such as email address, mailing address, city, and phone. After that, you have to set up the mail server with the email address, mail host, password, and server SMTP port. Now you can easily send your invoice to your client, customers, or audience. Then you can collect your payment through a payment gateway such as Stripe or PayPal. Also, you can add other payment information. If you're done with these steps, now you have to add your payment methods with the following properties and values. Remember, if you're given a test API key and a secret key, then you have to choose test from the payment method dropdown. Also, you can add your preferred property and values. Now you're in the final step, and you are ready to create your first invoice. Just fill out the form properly, and remember that the amount should be the total value of the service or product quantities. There is a way you can add multiple services and remove them. If you're finished with the form, just click on the Create and Send Invoice button. After that, your user will receive an email, and they will pay your invoice through Stripe or PayPal. Now test the payment system with the ABS Invoice Generator plugins. First, check the email where you sent the invoice. Then click on the Pay Now button. This button should redirect you to the invoice page on your website, where you can choose the payment method you prefer. Then click on the button, and you will be redirected to the payment processing page very shortly. After that, you have to give your payment information and finish the process, and when your payment is marked as complete, cancelled, or failed, you will be redirected to your website.